Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Welcome everyone to Rigaku's virtual preview of our 4th generation handheld Raman for safety and security applications. You may be wondering what is so revolutionary about our 4th generation Raman. What you will learn about today is the advanced capabilities this product has that's not available in any other handheld Raman, next level performance that it provides for chemical threat ID in the field, and the features designed to make this chemical threat response faster, safer, and more efficient for you. But first, a little introduction into who we are. I'm Jen Lynch, your host and marketing director at Rigaku Analytical Devices. I'm joined today by Chris Langford, our VP of Global Sales and Marketing. Here's the flow for the rest of the presentation. We'll start off with a product review by Chris, followed by a Q&A session. Please submit your questions during the webcast via the Q&A button at the bottom of your screen. Note, we won't be monitoring the raised hand function or the chat box. We will try to answer as many questions as we can during the webinar, and we'll respond to any unanswered questions by directly contacting you after the session is complete. And I will provide a link to our new product page in the chat box where you can learn more, request an on-site demo, or ask more questions. Chris, I'll hand it over to you.
All right, thanks, Jen. So you've probably seen and heard us referred now to this new product as the 4th generation. So to give you some background and context to that, Rigaku launched its 1st generation handheld Raman device called the First Guard back in 2011. Then in 2015, Rigaku launched its Progeny Rescue platform. And in 2018, we launched the Sequel platform. So each generation really building on the last as we incorporate a wealth of experience and customer feedback combined with progressing the technology and evolving the hardware, as well as being able to leverage the state of the art of available components with each generational development. So without further ado, we introduce to you the Icon X. The 4th generation handheld Raman system from Rigaku with a clean sheet design and incorporating the latest tech on board. We are very excited to bring this product to market. So what does this all mean for you? The instrument is designed and packaged to be smaller in volume and also have a thinner profile. That makes it just a bit more ergonomic, easier to hold, especially while wearing PPE, personal protective equipment, for long periods of time. The Icon X features our latest and growing factory-built 13,250 item spectral library on board. It has a large, bright 5-inch LCD daylight readable display. The touchscreen can be used in all environmental conditions and while wearing gloves. And we've also incorporated an illuminated tactile keypad in order to provide an important redundant interface to the device. The Icon X complies with the latest MIL 810H testing requirements for environmental ruggedness, including IP68 for water and dust ingress. We've been able to thoughtfully consider thermal routing and management in order to push the envelope with respect to expanding the operational temperature range of the device. We've been able to eliminate the need to calibrate the device, which removes both a process step as well as the need to have the benzonitrile calibration standard in the kit. With the latest and available high-tech processors embedded in the system, this yields faster scan times. Specifically, once the data is collected and passes into the algorithm space for processing, you will notice the instrument works faster. We've also embedded the latest tech with regards to cameras. So we have a nice 13 megapixel camera for just better quality image capturing. We've redesigned the front end optics. This yields a larger spot size, which enhances the mixture performance by just looking at a larger area of the matrix of material that you're scanning. We've incorporated an optional GPS capability in order to mark scan location, but also for future fleet management use. We have a robust and flexible training program available. So ranging from user training, refresher user training, advanced operational and applications training, train the trainer programs, and more. So please reach out to us to learn more about some of our training offerings. Still have access to our 24/7 live person reachback capability with the Icon. And then in addition to an industry-leading 3-year out-of-the-box warranty, we also have a flexible range of available extended warranty offerings to make sure that your critical equipment is covered and operationally available when you need it. So the Icon X is launching with a range of accessories that expand and enhance the application of the technology. We have a vial holder for when you're scanning samples in a standard 4 milliliter vial. We have a universal adapter that features a spring-loaded plunger that can hold a wide variety of awkwardly shaped items such as baggies, bare pills, pipettes, vials, things of that nature. We're also excited to launch a few new accessories, such as we have a ball probe. So this is a rigid probe that extends the focal point out approximately 8 inches from the instrument. This is great for scanning into containers that you perhaps can't otherwise scan through the container, and you don't wish to extract the material, barrels, large containers of powders or liquids, things of that nature. You could submerge the ball probe in and get a scan that way. And then lastly, we are very excited to tell you about our new standoff accessory. This attaches to the front of the Icon and allows for proximal standoff scanning of 1 to 3 meters. It features a visible laser for aiming, a rangefinder for optimum focusing, and its own power source for remote operations, such as integrating with an unmanned robotic system, for example. So yes, you can now have both the ability to perform a regular Raman point-and-shoot scan and then be able to couple the instrument with this new exciting standoff accessory to perform a scan at range with the same instrument. So again, very excited. Back over to Jen.
Yeah, so what I wanted to show you all now is, so we just returned from IAFC's Hazmat conference in Baltimore, where we debuted the Icon X there. Feedback directly from attendees is that they are very interested in the new probe accessory. People love the size and the feel of the new unit, as well as the larger buttons. And everyone is very interested in the standoff capabilities. So for those of you who aren't familiar, we were founded in 2011. We are based in Wilmington, Massachusetts. That's where all the instruments are manufactured, shipped from. Service department is here. We are an ISO certified facility where we pioneered 1064 Raman-based handheld technology, and we have thousands of units deployed around the world for use by the military, customs agencies, first responders, and law enforcement. And now we will take some questions. Okay, so Chris, let's see. All right, first question here is, do you offer any trade-in programs?
Yes, we do accept trade-ins for a discount on the Icon X or any of our products for that matter. Certainly let us know if that's something that anyone is interested in doing, and we can get you in touch with your sales representative.
Another one here. So lead time on the new Icon X instrument.
Yeah, so we're currently looking at a 3 to 4 week lead time after receipt of order. As always, we will try to do our best to beat that, but that is the time frame that we're currently building.
Do you offer 4C technology with this new unit?
Yes, we do still have 4C available on the device. That is something that is important to a key function of our both our SQL platform as well as the the Icon X, and I will say, as new recipes emerge, we are always looking at how we can add the key information to the 4C database in order to provide the best and most up-to-date information to our operators.
Okay. Connectivity via Wi-Fi, is that available in this new unit?
Yes, the Icon X supports local Wi-Fi, so local network Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as peer-to-peer, and in addition to that, Bluetooth.
Okay, so the purpose of today was to give everyone essentially a virtual preview of the new product. I will share the product page with you where you can learn more, check out more information, look at some more pictures. We'll have some new videos coming that we will share with everyone as well. And then right on that page, you'll be able to ask more questions or request an on-site demonstration or quotation if that's of interest to you. And that was the end of our webinar. We thank you everyone for joining us for this quick preview here. We wanted to provide for the folks that weren't able to make it down to Baltimore, we wanted to provide everyone a quick preview of what we showed in the booth, and more information to come. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Chris.